RapidAir, or we're a compressed air systems manufacturer, and behind us we have an application of a standard fertilizer mixer setup. So you have the air compressor behind you off screen. You would come up wherever that would be in the facility. You'd come up through the wall. You can see our pipe system. Here we have hose reels. We have a full line of accessories. You go throughout your building to the point that you need air. We have fittings, connection points, everything you would need to design the system. Don't worry about that. We have a whole system in-house to help you with the design process. You get to the point where you need air, we can drop down and connect to any system, whether it be our FastPipe, jumper hose, max line. We have a full line of systems to get through whatever you need.